This is only my personal opinion, but I think that the generation that's under 30 years old, like, I don't know, under 28 for sure, it's very disrespectful. Like, they don't even know how to communicate. Like, they want you to do for them, and they just want to do disrespectful ass shit, and you can't say nothing to them. Like, you can't even say, hey man, you know that's wrong. They want to blow up and talk bullshit, and then they'll see later, like, damn, that was fucked up. They so fucked up, they won't even come back and say, man, yeah, you're right, I was wrong. You can watch them go through it. You know what I mean? Like, they will pick one of their associates over some wisdom over someone who's trying to really help them, and then that same person that they're trying to listen to, which is of their same age. So you can't get a lot of wisdom from someone your same age. I'm just saying. Then later, you get burnt terribly bad by the person who you was trying to confide in, that only wanted to benefit off of you. See, that's what's wrong with the generation, man. And that's just my personal opinion, that if you're going to get to that next level and you're going to live longer and you want them blessings, you got to listen a little bit. I was bad, don't get me wrong, but I wasn't disrespectful as far as to my parents and as far as to my mom. You know what I mean? I might did some bad shit, but I knew how to respect her, and regardless of what the situation was, you know what I mean? Ain't no foul shit gonna come out my mouth towards my mom that was there raising me and making sure I was straight. Now my dad, that piece of shit, I don't care. You see what I'm saying? But the person that's helping raising you, making a sacrifice, aunties, uncles, your dad if it's he there, or your sister or your cousin, whoever, listen to them, man. Because they're not doing that shit just so they can do it. Now they trying to look out for you. So if you burn those who really authentically want to help you, come, we're gonna get your ass